We're staying in Lagos, where experts say air pollution is deadlier than COVID-19, and the average air quality in Nigeria is 7 times above the acceptable standards. That's according to the Lagos State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Tunji Abayomi, during an advocacy walk on air pollution and its impact on human health and the environment. Esther Mokbarola reports.
Lagos, Nigeria's commercial capital, is one of the world's fastest growing megacities, but many are breathing polluted air. In a recent study by the World Bank on the cost of air pollution in the state, more than 11,000 premature deaths were recorded, out of which 60% were children under 5. To this end, the Lagos State Environmental Protection Agency, in partnership with the United States Mission in Nigeria, held an advocacy walk to raise public awareness of air pollution.
We are working, we have an air quality monitor here. They have multiple throughout the state, and we're sharing data. And I think that opportunity to have the data and bring awareness really will help in the steps ahead.
In order to achieve policies of government, laws of government, enforcement becomes mandatory. And this enforcement is also to act as a deterrent. I am not going to fine you, a multi-million naira company, 100,000 for polluting the air. I would fine you hundreds of millions for polluting the air. Very soon, we will start to get traffic offenders off the streets. No more air pollution in Lagos State.
Other top officials say, apart from legislating policies that will protect the environment, anyone caught polluting the air with toxic emissions will be penalized.
Because in ideal system, ideal society, you are expected to have clean vehicles with less emission. But what do we see? We see vehicles that have spent their time outside the country being brought into the nation as Tokumbo or Belgium. And they are the one creating all these pollutions we are seeing everywhere.
All Lagosians should be planting trees, and we're 20 million Lagosians. Imagine if every Lagosian was to plant a tree or a shrub every year. Lagos would be a very fresh and green city, and we'll be converting some of our pollutants into fresh oxygen.
Let's look inward. Let's start from our homes. Let's stop this pollution. Let's stop the behavioral pattern. So when we do that, then we can cascade that to the bigger society.
In the meantime, residents were asked to embrace clean energy sources, even as the state assured of proper regulation of other industrial zones. Esther Mokbarola, TVC News, Lagos.